Today is Monday, May 5th. Yes, Monday, May 5th. And today I learned about a few things that you should do when you are in a uncomfortable or unfamiliar environment. So today I had softball tryouts, and it's just like a uncomfortable, unfamiliar environment, and it made me do worse, right? So there are a few things that I think can happen when you are in an unfamiliar, uncomfortable environment that I think we can attack and deal with to make it a better experience, right? So the first thing is just being confident in your skills, right? Or being confident in what you know to do and what you know is right, right? So for me specifically, it's like an example of sports, right? So I need to be more confident in doing what I know I can do, right? Because if you're not confident in your skills, then you're going to be very shrinked back. And I think that was what my problem was today. I was very shrinked back, and I need to be more like confident and more open kind of thing, right? More confident. So you need to be more confident in your skills and what you know to be right, but you also need to be confident in basically just who you are, right? Who you are, what you're wearing, how you act, your personality, and also just the things that you're doing that you think are right, or like your skills or whatever, right? So that's the first thing. You have to be confident in who you are and who you are that you know that is right, right? Who you are that you know is right. So like your skills, or just what you know to be good and true, things like that. You need to be confident in that, because if you're not, then you're going to let this external environment affect that and make you perform worse, or make it more awkward or whatever. So that's the first thing. You need to be more confident. The second thing is that you still need to be open to learning and open to adjusting to this environment, right? Because it's unfamiliar and you're trying to make it familiar. You're trying to make it a more comfortable experience. So you need to be able to adjust to the environment. You need to be open and teachable in that way, right? So you can't just be confident in everything but not be so rigid, right? You need to be flexible, and you need to be able to adjust to the environment and adjust to the situation so that you can become more comfortable with it, and therefore increase your confidence throughout, like as a whole, right? So you need to be confident. Be confident in who you are and what you know to be good and true, but also be open to adjustability, and also just be open to embarrassing yourself, right? Because when you are in an uncomfortable or unfamiliar environment, you don't really know what's going on, right? And when you don't know what's going on, it can lead to just like not doing the right things, or doing something, like either not doing something that you should be doing or doing something that you shouldn't be doing, right? And that kind of thing will happen when you are in an unfamiliar environment. You think it's right, but that's where you need to be adjustable and open to this new environment. So you need to be confident in yourself, be yourself, like try your best to use the skills that you know you have, and to be confident in what you know to be good and true, all of those, but also be open to being embarrassed, be open to adjusting to this environment, and be open to learning new things and learning about new people and adjusting to this environment, right? So that's what I learned today. If you found this video helpful, then I would love a like or a comment. If you want to see more, then definitely subscribe. This is the video I posted yesterday. You can subscribe in that corner, and if you subscribe, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.